That disqualifies me from doing a video outside tomorrow. I might. It's pouring hard. It's gonna be super wet. My scooter's not gonna get through all of that. I'm staying there tomorrow, making a video in the house. How would you guys like that? Better? Maybe might come outside to wipe some of these cars off and write stuff on them. Cause they'll be moist in the morning. There's no school tomorrow. I hate school. Thumbs up if you hate school. School is boring. Learning is horror. You hear me? Learning is horror. You're serious, right? Why does it keep getting harder? It's raining harder every time. Jesus. Just listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to it.